My mom had a request for me to crochet something, so I'm gonna do that today. She saw a picture of like encouraging pickles or something. I'll pull up the picture here for you to see the inspo. But I got some yarn for it. So I got two little greens, a bright pink, a light pink, and a black for the eyes. And then in the photo it looks really nice because they're placed neatly in a box. So we got a wooden box. So I've got all of my yarns here for this project, and I'm gonna get started now. Let's make some pickles. All right, so to begin, I'm gonna use this green. I am not following a pattern. If you've been crocheting for a while, you'll basically like get a feel for how to make different shapes. So what I'm gonna do is make a circle. And I'm doing like a magic ring sort of thing. I'm not very good at making like the magic circle things, but I can do it. Sort of. I don't know if I do it correctly, but got it through here. Okay, well, I'm gonna make essentially a circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna pull this tight, and then, all right. So this is basically a tiny circle. This isn't necessarily a tutorial on how to make these. I'm just making them. So I'm gonna kind of work this as like a continuous round. So sort of right here. Okay. Now I'm gonna do 6 increases. So 1, 2. Yeah, I'm basically gonna do 2 increases in each of the stitches around. And I will continue on from there. Alright, I've done this much on the first pickle. I'm gonna leave this at this point for now because I did get little eyes, but I can't find them. And in order to, if I do find them before I need to finish these, I want to put those on. So I'm going to leave this open, and I'm going to start on the second pickle. This is what it looks like so far. I have two mostly complete pickles. I just need to do some decreases and stuff them, and I need to do their faces. Before I decide to do like the eyes with black yarn, I'm going to wait until my husband gets home from work and see if the eyes that I had gotten might have fallen out into the car. If I don't find them in the car, then I might go ahead and just do the eyes with this. But I want to wait and see if I can find those eyes that we got. Ready? You ready? You're such a funny cat. Come here. Oh my goodness. Alright, it's the next day. We weren't able to find the eyes that we had gotten to use for these pickles, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish these up, and I will be just embroidering the eyes and things on them. Alright, so I almost forgot that I actually do need to stuff these before I close up the pickles. I got really close to finishing. I just got my stuffing out, and now I'm going to go ahead and fill this. Alright, so I just quickly finished the second pickle. Now I just need to make one more, and then I'll be doing like the eyes and the mouth and the blushies with this remaining yarn. But I'll be embroidering that. I just need to quickly finish one more pickle with this, and we will be done with our emotional support encouraging pickles. Alright, cool. We have 3 pickles, and now I need to embroider faces on them. I'm excited. We already got the bodies done. I just need to do faces and the little notes and little arms, and we will be good. Alright, so I did my first little test face off camera because I was trying to make sure I got the placement right, but now let's do 2 more. I think it looks pretty cute, pretty close to the original picture. I did want to use those plastic eyes, but I can't find the ones that we had bought. But the embroidered black eyes look fine. They're fine. Okay, these turned out super cute. I changed the sayings a bit from the original picture I was going off of, but I also crocheted some tiny little hearts and added them in here too. I thought it would be a cute little nice touch, but these turned out really heckin' cute. Oh my gosh. I'm honestly surprised with how well they turned out. I didn't expect them to turn out this adorable. But here are our 3 little positive emotional support pickles. So cute. I love the little hearts too that I made. I think I made 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. All right. Time to put this away.